Yeah, came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Hey, hello everyone. So today I am going to do my first project in uh, about pandas, and it is going to be exploratory data analysis. Okay, means what? I have a Bhav copy of 16 February, and here you can see the date. It is 16 February, and the challenge is that we have to apply any logic and take out few stocks which will go up tomorrow. Means we have to predict, and I will check it tomorrow and will comment which have gone up and which have not gone up. Okay, so this is my one little challenge or project you can say which I have thought of doing. Now they and miss the logic which I want to use is this. First it has to be equity. Okay, EQ means series has to be EQ, right? Means we are going to analyze this whole data. You can see it is this whole data we have to analyze and sort out few. How many stocks are there? I don't know actually. There are 2174, out of which we have to select few based on our logic, and we have to predict that it will change tomorrow. So first it has to be equity, series has to be EQ. Here you can see BGS, it is there, it has to be EQ. Now the close price minus, wait a minute, this is close price, and where is the previous close? Previous close is here. Yep. Now the close price minus previous close price has to be greater than 0. Means here you can see 79.6 minus 79.05. So it is greater than 0, right? So this is how, means this is our second condition. And the third condition is delivery, means delivery per, I don't know what is it. It has to be greater than 90. It has to be greater than 90. Yep. So these three conditions we have to apply, and we will get some stocks and we will check it tomorrow. It is live, okay? It is real time. It is real time data of 16 February. Today is 17, and I am doing it at 12:34. So today at 3 o'clock, in 3:10 it closes, right? So at around 5 o'clock I will comment which stock went up and down and the changes. Okay, so let's get started. First let me make one notebook. I don't know why I am explaining this much, but I have created the notebook. Now first let us import pandas as pd. Wait a minute, I wanted to add, miss I also wanted to give myself challenge of using matplotlib and then having the data here, but it is not required. So I thought, why should I do? So now we have imported pandas. First I have downloaded the Bhav copy of 16 February. Now let me show you. Here I have renamed it to 16 February.csv. Okay, so first we are going to read it. So to read, we will create one data frame is equals to pd dot read and underscore file type, csv, in bracket file name, 16 feb dot csv. Okay, so we have read what you can say the file. Now there is a thing called cleaning the data. Okay, now let me tell. Wait a minute. Now here you can see there is one space at the beginning of everything, and there are few unwanted what you can say unwanted things which will not allow us to properly analyze the data. Like here, Python can't means it has to be integer or else it has to be blank. Okay, so we need to clean this. We need to make this block as empty, and so we'll do that first, like cleaning part and something. So first, there is one keyword skip initial, wait a minute, space. So it removes all the spaces that were given before. Okay, now shift enter. Okay, so it has red. Now skip initial space true. Okay, now as I said, we need to replace this, right? So we will replace this with blank. So there is one more function, df dot replace in bracket. Now what we want to replace, it must be given inside this column. We want to replace this with a blank, right? Now here in place means in, we want to, wait a minute, my wait a minute, in place is equals to true. Now what this means is we are replacing this, what is, I don't know what is called, with a blank space, means blank, or you can say null. Not we can't say null, but you get it. Okay, now we need to create one more column wherein the closing price minus previous close will be displayed, right? So let us create a new file, df. Okay, now to create a new column we need to write like this, and change. Wait a minute, I don't know which column I have given. Come on. Okay, wow, great. You know, I am great. Which column I have to give, and I am giving which column, I don't know. So we have to create one column change which will have df what was it, what was the close price, close close price. First close price will be there, right? close underscore price and minus. This is the true, what you can see, benefit. I think, I'm sorry, this df should be in small letters. Now again df, then bracket caps lock, and then okay. Now we need to add prev close previous close, prev underscore close. This will create one change column which will have previous close price minus previous close. And let us just run it. Okay, so till now we are good, we are not having any problem. So till now we are good to go. Now we need to change this delivery quantity. Where is this? We need to change this into numeric. I don't know why it is not in numeric, but it is not in numeric, so we need to change it in numeric. Now we can also check d type, but means it is not there. Okay, uh, so you will know df d e l I v underscore p e r. Okay, you see the reality is I don't get miss the logic part, and also I have copied this logic. Okay, the main aim was not the logic, main aim was the program. So I pretty much don't know much about logics and how it is applied, so you can like get me right. So pd dot to shift underscore numeric. Okay, pd dot to shift underscore numeric, and the file name, sorry, what you can say, column name is caps lock DELIV per, right? Till here I think we are good to go. It's taking time. Yep, I know. PD dot to numeric. What's the problem? Unable to parse string deliver at position 0. Library may be converted to numeric. PD dot to numeric. NUMERIC DF and DELIV DFP DELIV PD dot to numeric, right? Let me just, I don't know what is the matter here, but who cares? Let us just run it again. Nope, same error. PD dot to numeric. Is there any space here? No. To numeric, NUMERIC. Oh, wait a minute. I got it. I did not mention the. I got it. Now it has to be. Now there has to be no problem. Here you can see. I forgot to mention the main source, right? So that's why it was giving error. Now let us create one data variable data in which there will be all the three conditions. Let me tell you the three conditions in which first will be symbol. Okay, I'm not really getting a symbol. Then means I think we are means here we are creating a okay, now we have to write all the three conditions inside. What were the three conditions? Let me just okay, So first condition was mm, df dot series series should be equal to eq, right? Then and function and it is necessary to use this symbol. Okay, we just can't write and, because when earlier while I was doing the practice work I just wrote and it gave me some, no, it did not give error, but it did not give the required result. That is what I want to tell. DLIV per and should be greater than equals to 90, and the bracket has already been closed, and the final condition, and remember to use the same bracket, believe me or not, df. Now the column, wait a minute, now the column change which we created just now has to be greater than 0, because that was our logic, right? And it should run without any error. Okay, wait a minute, what is this? Okay, yep, we have not gone into any problem till now. Now let us create a new data frame in which all the data uh, stored in this data variable will be changed into a data frame. So let us create new data frame as a variable which will have pd dot data frame, and the data from which it will take will be data, not data, it has to be data. Shift enter and df. Okay, so we have got, now see, the thing here is I have practiced this earlier like for 10 times. Okay, this same program I practiced it for 10 times, so it did not give me much stress, like much error was not there. So don't think that I have copied it. Like I have copied the logic because I don't know anything about what it is logic and all that stuff. So I have copied that logic, but the program is mine own. And here you can see we have got some I don't know how many are there. There is one function to get the number of uh, number in the content data. Oh come on, I have written it, guys. Let me just check it out. Where is that? I have to go to pandas again, data frame, head tell. Ah, df.shape function. Let me just here ndf dot shape. Oh come on, what tuple object is not callable? How come? Oh, so it does change it into a tuple. I guess it changes itself into tuple, but here you can see we have a few values, means there are this many stocks, and I will let you know which one of this will go up and which one of this will go down. Until then, Goodbye. Thank you.